All right, this week I have one of the largest homes Toll Brothers makes. Almost 6,000 square feet, dual staircases. Here we go. Hey, I'm Scott Baxter, your local Dallas realtor with Relocating to Dallas. And today, man, we are at McLennan Chisholm, which is right next to Heath, Texas. All you people that love that east side and that fancy, dancy country living, man, you can't get any better than Heath, Texas. And right next to that is McLennan Chisholm. Basically the same thing, except you're gonna even get better deals in McLennan Chisholm. And both are just 10 minutes away from Rockwall, maybe even 5 minutes. We're like right on the border here of Rockwall. So, you know, 9-minute drive, 10-minute drive, you're at Costco. You know, you're out in the country, but you feel like you're next to everything. And with Rockwall, you have this little bubble of just 6 miles maybe, and you have everything at your fingertips. Everything else you need, go over the bridge into Dallas, but we don't really suggest that. Rockwall has everything you usually need, and this is the vibe you want. Believe me, with that lake and all of everything that the lake offers and all the restaurants we have on the lake and the harbor, you're gonna wanna stay in this little special area. And this is a very special area. I live over here, so I know every single builder, every single neighborhood. If you need an East Side representative, contact me. And right now we're gonna go through this move-in ready home actually with Toll Brothers in this neighborhood. It just started. This neighborhood is brand new. So you can see there ain't nothing going on hardly. There's only a few homes, and this is one of the new ones, and they decided to go all out. They decided to let's build the biggest one we got. This is called the Nokota, and the Nokota is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, dual staircases going up, giant open spaces. Holy moly. And man, I can't wait to show you guys this one. So let's go take a look. And if you're looking on getting here to McLennan Chisholm, the tax rate is 1.52. That is so low, guys, and there's no muds and there's no PIDs out here. Now, this is gonna have lots of acre lot properties. That's all they're selling here, and we're right at the beginning phases, so the pricing is gonna be really, really good. As you can see, this is a 6,000 square foot house for 1.299. I mean, that's insane. If you go up to Salina or Prosper or Frisco, yeah, this house would be way more up that way. And over here, you're gonna have that Rockwall ISD, which is an A-rated school. We have a nice little bubble here. I gotta tell you, it's a nice bubble to be in, and I don't think you would be upset if you lived here. We have the Harbor District, which is right on the water there for Rockwall. With all the restaurants, you can see sunsets every night, just like you're in Key West. It's really cool, guys, and the town's got a good vibe, and you're welcome to Texas when you get here, man. It's friendly vibes all the way around. So I know you want to go and look at this house. So let's go look into the Nokota Classic by Toll Brothers right now. All right, the Nokota Classic. This is a monster of a house. It is so nice, and the backyard is huge. You have a whole acre, and you're gonna have lots of room between you and your neighbors. I'm telling you, if you get into a custom house around here, around Heath, Texas, it usually starts at about 2 million. So if you're 1.3 for this big of a house and you're right here in this area, I'm telling you, this is a really good deal. That's why I'm doing it. Move-in ready, guys. If you want this house and you have this giant, there's a dual staircases going up and really wide angle into your acre lot into the back. Just amazing. Before we go in there, I want to head into your office. These big steel doors. They're not messing around. Those are some steel doors. And lots of light in here. Tall ceilings. These are at least 12-foot ceilings. And then lots of extra windows and light in your office. And if we go over this way, this is going to be, boy, you could put a grand piano in here if you wanted, or you could do a formal dining room and 3 windows here. All right, let's go through to where I know you want to go. And look how this opens up. Wow. With this tile work going all the way up this gas fireplace. And it's all set for you. Has all your TV stuff ready to roll right there. And this is your kitchen. Jeez Louise, it's just so big in here. This is bigger than most houses, guys, that I've seen. I've seen a lot. Here's your backyard where they just poured the concrete, so it's drying, so I can't go out there right now. But where that fence is where they do the grass until. And then it goes way out there until that other fence. We'll walk out there. So you have a really big backyard. This is not your backyard right here. That goes way past that because it's an acre lot. Let's go through this side here. Look at that. Like I said, upstairs bathrooms in each of the bedrooms. All right, let's roll here to our kitchen. Waterfall island. Beautiful lighting here. And 6-burner gas stove. Stainless steel appliances, double ovens. They don't put the microwave up top there. They leave it down within reach. For the ladies, that's been the #1 complaint I've heard from a lot of ladies. They're like, when you put the microwave on top of those ovens over there, it's too high for them. So these guys know exactly what's happening. And you're going to have room for refrigerator right here and extra spots right here. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, it's the Scott approved food closet. Holy moly, look at that baby. You can walk in there and it has room. You got some space. That is Scott approved. And another nook right there. Just huge space here. Jeez Louise. We're going to go to the left just because we can. There's a whole nother hallway back over this way. And this is going to go into your 3-car garage. I'm not going to walk on this. I do believe this floor is still drying. And you can see the flakes on there. Really quality job there. And there's your 3rd-car garage back there. There you go. There's a good look. That's about a $5,000 or $6,000 deal there. So that's a good, nice touch for the garage. Here's a closet. Laundry room is right here. And you can see plenty of storage. And plenty of counter space here. Plus a nice big window. And here's the house next door. I mean, that you can see that's a ways away, isn't it? All right, going into a bedroom back here. You would think that this is the primary bedroom, right? In a lot of homes. But this is just a bedroom on the other side. This is bedroom 1 downstairs that we visited. It has its own bathroom, own shower, and its own closet. All right, let's go over to the primary bedroom. But first, I want to take you into this wine room we got going here. Beautiful little area here, bar area, complete with a solid steel door that shuts. This is going to be a bathroom for everybody to use. So a guest bathroom, having a big celebration, a big party. Everybody just comes right over here. I just can't believe how much space this is. This is giant, guys. 1.299. Take my money, as I would say. And this is the Take My Money Master Suite. This is amazing. Look at this. All those windows and these tall ceilings. And then we got more windows on this side. And that covered area, this shows you how much covered area you got. You got nice, lot of space for entertaining out there with a fire pit. But back to the primary bedroom here. Look at this. And this freestanding tub. And then lots and lots and lots of counter space here. Jeez Louise. And oversized closet in here. That's extra deep, extra tall. Beautiful tub. I'm loving it. And then more light coming through here. And look at this shower. Yeah. From the top, from the side, we got it all. Little place to put her leg up while she's shaving her legs or sit down. And this is open space here. And then we have the primary closet, which is oversized closet. Lots of room in here too. It is shared, but man, there is a lot of room back here. A lot of room. Amazing. That's plenty of room for everybody's clothes, I can guarantee it. And here is your La Toilette room. Also very spacious. I am digging this build. The move-in ready homes, they usually make them pretty white and bright with these type of floors, just so it appeals to everybody. So the main thing is, guys, what you're getting is you're getting a house, you're getting the bones, and you're getting some nice finish outs on it. And if you want to do some extra stuff like different colored walls, you know, just contact me as my client. I will obviously give you the best painter in DFW. I call him Dexter because he pretty much preps the whole room like Dexter would. I know you guys got some Dexter watching people out there. All right, here we go. This is the media room. This is huge, guys. This is giant. That is about twice as big as any media room that I've seen. And just another thing, just over here, I mean, that's above the front door. Look at that area. I just can't believe the price, to be honest. There's no way that you could get this in northern Dallas neighborhoods for 1.3. There's no way. Almost 6,000 square feet. We're just about 194 square feet short of that. All right, here's the bedroom, first bedroom upstairs. That's the bathroom. And that's the closet, walk-in closet. And then here's the bedroom itself. Tall ceilings, not a small room. And lots of light going on, guys. All right, bedroom 2 upstairs. Another very spacious bedroom. And its own bathroom with its own bathtub and shower. Just to let you guys know, it's there. I'm gonna stay on these plastic mats. That's how much they want to make this pristine for y'all. If there's any traffic coming through, there's your closet here. If there's any traffic coming through, they want you walking on these plastic mats, so your carpet is not gonna get dirty by a bunch of people walking through. But look at this. This is just a game room or a flex room upstairs. We already have the movie room. Movie room's over there. That thing's huge. And then you got this. Take my money. That's my next new saying besides Scott Approved Food Closet. Take my money. You can take my money on this one. Holy moly. And look at this, another bathroom attached to bedroom number 3 and the closet, walk-in closet. Just insane. Absolutely insane. What does the rest of the neighborhood look like over here? Looks like they're building the model home over there. It's all finished. People are moved in. That's actually one. That is one for sale as well. That is a move-in ready home that's exactly like the model home. And then there's your neighbor here. And then we have just lots to choose from, guys. If you want move-in ready home, we have 2 Toll Brothers move-in ready homes right now. All right. And one is actually, we'll show you in just a second. Holy moly, guys. That was the Nokota Classic. That is an insane house. 5814 square feet, 5.5 bath, media room, game room, the most spacious house I've been in a long time. Now, let me tell you something about these types of homes. I have not seen one this big for this less of a price. For this much square foot, you're up over $2 million around this area. I just want to let you know. So the fact that this is a Toll Brothers house and the fact that it's only basically 1.3, man, it's like a no-brainer, guys. And let me tell you something else. If you're one of my clients, I'm going to negotiate that price for you as well. So get a hold of me, 945-244-0342 or hello@dallasrelocationteam.com. And if you're interested in this house, move-in ready. Right now, it is July 6th, 2026. This is move-in ready right now. And always want you to be represented with a buyer's representative like me. That's why I come out and show you these things, so you can use me as your buyer's representative and not only get you in the right neighborhood to where I live here, I know that it's a great place to live. Safe spot for you with A-rated schools, low taxes, no muds, no PIDs. And I know you're gonna have the time of your life in the space that you just have been dreaming about in Texas. And you're just like, well, I don't know where to go. Texas is so big. Dallas is huge. 8.5 million people around Dallas-Fort Worth. Where do we go? Well, this is a really nice bubble, guys. And builder pays all my commissions. Let me represent you. We'll get in this house right now. I bet if you have cash, there's gonna be an extra discount as well. So, just wanna let you know about that. And right next to that glorious Rockwall and Lake Ray Hubbard, where we have the sunsets like Key West, and we have the community that you would dream for. And I promise, I bet if you move here, I bet you'll never leave. Because I ain't leaving. Because this is my spot. I've been moving around 4 years, every 4 years for ages, until I got to Rockwall. I'm like, I am not moving. We are here to stay, baby. Anyways, if you want to go down the rabbit hole, more videos, do it. It's going to come up right here, man. We'll see you next week or maybe even this week. All right, give me a call, guys. Later.